Hey guys, how to create a virtual credit card, no verification required. Note, most legit virtual cards will require at least email or phone number or phone verification. No verification often comes with limitations or risks, so stick to reputable services. So, here's the legit method with minimal verification. Go to privacy.com, which is only in the United States. That website or this website links to your bank account, lets you create virtual cards. Great for subscriptions, spending limit. They have email plus bank verification required. Okay. Secondly, Revolt, Wise, N26, Monzo offer virtual cards after creating an account. ID verification usually required, but it's official and secure. Blur by Abine, mask cards for privacy. Paid plans offer creation with an email-based setup. Okay, you have also crypto-powered options, which is risky and region-specific. Some platforms like AdvoCash or ADV Cash, Payeer, etc. offer virtual cards funded with crypto, sometimes no full KYC. So processed or proceed carefully. Not all are trustworthy. So avoid shady no verification card generators. They are usually scams or lead to fraud. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.